Ayyo. Hello guys. Ayyo. It's too cold.
Until yesterday it was minus
23.
minus 23. Today it is only minus 8.
But it's
We
very
thought
cold.
it will be.
Oh.
It is good too. We can adjust. But it is freezing. My hands
My
are
hand-
all got
If you
so
look at
dry.
my
We
level-
thought we could adjust minus 8, but I guess because it was minus 23 until yesterday, minus
It's
8 is
My God.
a little too cold. We thought we
Yeah.
could adjust, but
Wow,
It
it's
is.
pretty cold.
it's cold.
My hands are frozen.
Yeah.
But
so
it looks very nice outside. It's looking very nice.
Yes.
Take a run. See.
this is the same
full
path we
ice.
used to come down walking.
Yeah, we should come down walking, but now it's full of ice because of last 2 days snow. So coming to the point, so buying a car.
So this is like you can consider this as a part 2 of getting a car. The first video we spoke about getting an insurance, like tips and tricks to get your insurance reduced and yeah, stuff like that. So
Stuff like
today's
that.
is just how to get a car.
Our car
And
is on
how-
the background.
Yeah, that's our car in the background. These are certain tips that we would like
First,
to give that
yeah,
we felt
Felt is very important.
we could
Main
have
points
improved
we
our-
would be covering would be setting up your budget, the kind of car you want, the model, the brand, the year. Do you want service package? Do you want to buy from a showroom? Do you want from a used car showroom?
or
it
you want
is-
to get it from like the last user.
Yeah. So there are different criteria for it. We'll take one by one through it. अब बाकी का जो करेगा बहुत नहीं हो रहा है तो
Okay, sir.
Stop it. हम लोग गाड़ी में वापस जाने वाला है क्योंकि
Yes.
मुझे नहीं हो रहा है. It's too cold. मेरा कान भी गया एकदम frozen हो गया. Ow, oh, that's feeling much better. Wow, for school. That's good. It looks so nice actually behind. I'll show you guys. Wait. Okay.
How good it looks.
How?
So we just got into the car. It was super cold.
It was super cold, super duper cold. I mean, we were not expecting that. We were expecting it, but
Not
we were
this
trying
cold.
not to take videos just in the car so that we can
Yeah,
take
just
some
to have a
different
background.
background. But then it turns out that we can't step out. It's pretty cold.
It is cold. I mean, we were trying to because with the gloves we cannot start and stop the video or to adjust the gimbal. So
Yeah,
my
it's
hands are all dry and frozen. I mean,
What not?
skin
I
is,
mean,
like
you'll
super
have
dry. Yeah,
because
and
of
also
the
it's
winter.
our first time, so surely we would take some more time to adjust
Yeah.
to this. Okay, so getting back to this, like we started off there to get a car. First thing is to set your budget. And
most important is that setting a budget depends on what you have. Like if you are working full time, then you have some savings, use of that. Or if you're a new immigrant over here like us, we had some savings from our work back home. It's basically the amount that we were showing as in our bank account while moving to Canada. So we had that amount. We used that as a down payment to buy a car.
not the entire thing, but then yeah, you have to have good savings. Even though people say you have to make use of your savings for your initial things, yes, you have to use it, no doubt, but you have to use it in a way that you don't finish it off.
Finished off, exactly.
So people do have misunderstandings on that. But anyways,
The people think that we should come here with some savings and we should use only that. I mean, you have opportunities over here. For example, you have food banks which they can support you with for initial few months. We definitely used it. We used it for 3 months. Now we are giving back.
no, we used only twice.
Twice, right?
Yeah.
But now since we both got a job, we are giving them back. Every week we are giving something back to Edmonton Food Bank.
Anyways, that is not something
Yeah.
that we had to showcase, but then there was a confusion in the earlier video, so we just wanted to show it to you.
Okay.
So
back
coming
to buying
the
car buying point. Yes, the budget is very important. You might be having $1,000, you might be having $10,000. Whatever budget you have, it's good to buy a car. If you have, we can buy a car from $1,500 ready cash, not down payment. that will be an old, very old model.
We did see quite of them on Facebook on Marketplace,
Yeah.
but then because in the past we have always purchased from like the used one from showroom, we always felt that is like a better option. Like the car would be serviced and maintained, and they will have a history of the car with them.
I'll just remove this off. Thank you.
Yeah,
was
so
offsetting.
we didn't want to purchase it from like the earlier user. We don't know how well or how bad they might have used the car. So
Yeah, both the options.
that was something that personally we felt we wanted to go through a showroom. Otherwise, there are many options that we would get a cheaper option.
Yeah, cheaper options are there. So we opted for showroom just because we wanted service package. We wanted few things to be covered. Now, after fixing your budget, always go for the brand, the model you want. You want an earlier model, means like let's say you want 2015 and prior, or you want something 2015 and new ones up to 2021. Well, we thought of buying not so old one because again the maintenance issues, any kind of damages, we need to go through all of that. We might need to put the car in a garage for some servicing and all. So we thought to avoid all that of that, and we bought a used car from a showroom, which is very good in condition. So it's again depending completely on your budget, your preferred to the brand. We took up a Honda because
That was not at all our plan.
I mean, yeah, this car was not at all in our plan.
We thought of getting any car that falls in our budget, but we ended up going for a slightly higher. But then, yeah, we are happy with the car.
We're happy with the car, the features that they provide. Yes, it's very good car. But yeah, it did shoot up a little bit of budget. But we thought, okay, fine, it'll help us to build the great history that we wanted to.
Yeah. So in the initial, I got a job only after 4 months. So the first 4 months, it was summer, and hence it was not so difficult for us. Also, the apartment that our friends had chosen for us had like supermarkets around, and even if in case we wanted certain things from a certain superstore or like from Walmart, we could like it was like half an hour walk, but still it was not bad.
Yeah, we used to walk to Superstore, which is walking distance.
It is not walking
Canadian
distance.
Tire.
Yeah, Canadian Tire, not Superstore.
It's not walk. It's walking distance, like 10 minutes, 2 kilometers, 15 minutes. That's it.
No, more than that.
Okay,
but anyways, but then since it was summers, we were okay with walking. But I doubt if we had landed during winters.
It would have been really difficult. We would have been completely depending on our friends.
Yes, thank God we had amazing friends here who helped us, and they were
right from the
really
start,
good.
there were family who were helping us, right, setting up the house. She's Vinita Chechi.
Vinita Chechi, Santosh Chaitan, and then later on we met Basil, Tushara, and Kichu, their son. They were like full time helping us with whatever we
Then
wanted.
after 4 months, I found I had a cousin over here, Fimi and family, and Shijatan. I mean,
Yes.
that was quite a big surprise, and they lived like 4 minutes or 5 minutes drive from our
away
place.
from us. So these were the people who helped us, like in the initial stages of like if
Like
things
yeah,
were
once you
little
move, like as a new person to a new country, you will always be needing some kind of help from your close friends or families. It's good.
you
point.
always would feel like if there was someone, but then
Yeah.
we were blessed to have these people with us. So yes, but otherwise when you're planning, just plan in a way that you don't have anyone around. Just car is like one of the important things that one should invest in once you land in Canada.
We need to keep hydrated because it's winters. You don't feel thirsty, but keeping hydrated is something very important. Okay,
Yes.
we are going
Deviating
the
from the
topic.
topic. So first thing is like setting your budget.
and choosing your brand and your model of the car, and
Just to know, when you're choosing your car, you should also think about like the service things and stuff like that. So Honda and Toyota are the ones that can give
they
you
have
cheaper
service packages and all. But if you go for an Audi or a Benz, it's different. The package is
something
different. I mean, the service package will be
Even
slightly
Nissan
higher.
is little higher. Right?
No, Nissan is cheaper, but you won't get a resale value. This is what I understood from the
So
market.
your insurance amount also goes a little higher for that?
It's not the brand. I mean, yeah, brand do impact your insurance, which we have discussed in another video. But if you're having an SUV, comparatively your insurance would be on a lower side compared to sedan. This is what I've noticed in general.
Okay, so what would be the third thing that would be important for them?
The third thing, now you need to look out the best place to buy a car, because you have multiple options. You have many showrooms.
We
you
went
need
to quite a few showrooms.
Yeah.
And they were quite competitive. We
Yeah, we took quote from two, three showrooms. We didn't just stick to one.
Yeah. Check online
Online, yeah.
and also go to the showroom and check, because things are very different at many places.
So you might find a cheaper car at a different place, the model you're looking for. So do always check online and wisely choose that.
Yes.
And after that, we should choose the insurance part. Now, insurance part is something very tricky.
And we have already spoken about insurance in the earlier
video. It's monthly
So-
over here. It's pretty
and
expensive.
do check that out. That will have more information on insurance.
Yes, it's having more information on the insurance part. But after all this criteria, once you have selected the car, you're supposed to make a down payment, or you can say deposit, because not down payment, I would call it a deposit of $1,000, which is refundable. It is just like blocking your car or a token of advance. The thing is that after this, they'll check if you're eligible for the vehicle based on your income. So they'll go check with the banks or some credit agencies, and then they'll come back to us about on our eligibility, whether we are eligible
for
to get the
that,
car.
our credit check rating doesn't come down when they check our credit.
Yeah, that's what the sales team and they all told that you don't have to stick to one showroom. Even if you check multiple of them, it doesn't come down
It
literally.
doesn't reduce your
Yeah, because you're
score,
not
right?
using it for, you're not actually utilizing it. You're just checking are you eligible or not. So it doesn't bring down the scores. That is one thing. And once that is done, once it's approved, then
So
you
when you give that $1,000 deposit, it's not necessary you have to get it from that same showroom. You're just blocking it. But if in case you find something better in another showroom, you can just go and cancel that and they'll refund you that amount.
yeah, that's one option. But once it's blocked and you're done, you're thinking it's good to go, then they'll come back to us saying that yeah, this is the amount that you're going to pay bi-weekly. That means every 2 weeks.
Yeah, and also decide on the bi-weekly amount that you wish to pay.
Yeah, we went in saying that we need to pay maximum $180, $175 to $180.
Yeah,
But we ended up paying $205 now.
No, but they had given us even higher, like
240s.
yeah, 240s or something,
Yeah.
because what they they actually understand who is new to Canada and who's not. So when they understood we are new here, so they tried to add too many packages to our existing monthly
Bi-weekly payment.
Bi-weekly payment.
Then it shooted up. Then we said no, that's not what we were discussing about. We wanted this amount. This is the amount that we wanted to end up. But then they came back again saying that they reduced $40.
They said you're new here, you don't have much credit history, so that's the reason we have to add this back to your monthly bi-weekly thing. But he did try to talk and he tried reducing few packages, so that way we could have from 240s it came down to 204, so that way we are saving like $40 or something.
Yeah, even though our bi-weekly budget was $180, this $25 or $50, $25 a week excess
Bi-weekly.
payment, it's not bad. It's because we added up some packages in the car, means
The rust
protecting
proof.
we added rust proof, we added 3M protection, we added all the sensor coverage in the car, means any fault or
Any
issues in the
electric
sensor.
yeah.
Any electrical issues, it's all covered. Then we got tire protection in terms of any tire burst or tire punctures. You can give them a call, they'll send the recovery. We chucked off the part where they will give us a rented car. We didn't opt for that, but then they'll send a recovery, they'll pick up
They
the
will
car.
have too many things, but you just calmly
what you want, yeah.
decide what you want. They'll put a lot of things on you, and you will be like, what do I do with this? You might just go in and say a yes, but then it's not necessary. You don't have to go for it. You can stick to your plan.
Yeah. Okay. So lastly, it's about so as we said, getting an insurance. After getting an insurance, you have multiple insurance. You have multiple choices to take from. After that, you should go to the registry, along with the insurance papers, your vehicle details. The vehicle details will be given by the showroom people. Take that and insurance papers to the registry. You pay how much did you pay? $85.
$85.
$85 for registration. Normally
And
you get
your-
for 10 months.
Yes, and this happens even before you get your car in hand. It's
Yes.
not after you get your car in hand. We were a little confused. Like, we thought we will get the car, we'll take the car, we'll put the number plate and everything. So we get all
That's
these
what was
things.
happening in Middle East, in Dubai. So
Yeah.
we were thinking that's the same system.
So we take all of these, then we go to the showroom to get the car.
Yeah. So but no, you have to take the number plate and then go to the showroom. They'll fix the number plate for us.
Yes, and your registration renewal happens every year.
Registration renewal happens every year, but when you get it for the first time, it is for 10 months.
Yes, and your next renewal will always happen on your birth month.
Birth month and birth date.
Is it your
It's a
date?
date
or-
as well. Birth month, dating.
I think it's the month.
Okay.
So I don't know about the date. I'm not so sure, but then it's your date month that is considered for your next renewal. So what else is there?
And you get the car within, if you give all the documents on a Monday, by Thursday you could get the car, or Friday. That's the max. We gave it on a Friday and we got the car on a Tuesday. The 2 days was like, it was weekend and then things could move forward, but Tuesday we got a car. But yeah, these are things that you should take care of in terms of getting a car. Means fixing a budget, seeing a brand, model, where you should buy. Should you buy from an final consumer, a customer, or
The
you want
last
to go
customer or
to
from a showroom,
a showroom?
which has a history of the car.
Yeah, you can get the history of the car even if you go to a single purchaser. It's called Carfax over here. Not other. I mean, anything other than that. If you want a service package, you want anything else. Sometimes you go to showroom. We got new tires. We got new car mat. So you get all those features, all the things.
I don't think every showroom has it. From the showroom that we got it. So, like the other showrooms we were looking for the cars, they were not offering us free tires, new tires, or anything. So we got free interior mats and free tires, all season tires. So yeah,
these are the few things. Mainly, these are the things that you should take care of. Insurance can be only reduced if you see our previous video. We had mentioned about that. Just check out that. So once your insurance is done or reduced, you get a certificate. Go along with that certificate to the showroom. Tell them you've done this. To the insurance brokers. Then you'll get a reduced insurance.
yes, go to different.
It's super expensive. You're coming from India. I'm telling you, it's nowhere near what you pay over there. In India, you pay 15,000 rupees maximum for a
For
year.
a year, here might
You
be
pay monthly that much, 18,000 to
Or more
20,000,
than that.
or more than that.
Because in my office, I know people they are paying more than $500, $650 or something monthly just insurance.
Just insurance. You're talking about 500, 650 multiplied by $58 with the current exchange rate. You do your math. That's the money you pay monthly. Those who are coming from Dubai, Middle East, welcome to Canada. The insurance is not yearly over here; it's monthly. Even I was taken by surprise. I pay 1,700 over there for a car covering Oman and UAE. But here you pay the same amount monthly.
So, anyways, so I hope we have covered the
Yes,
major
major
points
parts.
that
If
we want
anything
to
is
do.
there, anything we have missed out, any
Please
questions,
put in the comment
please put in the comment section.
We'll be happy to
We'll
help
be
you
happy to answer. We are creating more videos now. We are having more time now, so we'll be creating more videos and fun
Hopefully
stuff.
we try to create more videos.
No,
We
we'll
get too
try.
busy with work, but then I don't know. It is coming. But anyways, do let us know the kind of videos that you would want us to show. And because of the changes happening now, I'm sure we would be able to help you with better updates. So let us know what you would like to see in our next video. Hopefully that helps you all.
All right. So bye bye from Genie
Bye.
and Muffin.
Take
Until next
care.
time. Bye bye.
Bye.